Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to tell you a trick. By using this trick, you can create unlimited content for your website or blog. So if you don't know how to write article, then this video is going to help you definitely. So let's start to see how you can do this. So guys, what you have to do, you have to open your browser, any browser, whatever you use. So you can find these types of articles in your on your page, or you can also search for the content whatever you are going to uh, use on your blog. So I am now going to use this article that is coming in the first result, so you can watch. So what is actually a thing that we cannot directly use this content because this is copyrighted content. If we use it on our blog, then it is useless because Google never rank copyrighted content. So we need to make it unique. So how can we make it unique? Let's see. So this is the article, and in front of you I'm going to make it unique and going to post it anywhere. So you have to open, if you're using Chrome browser or any other browser where a translate feature is available, you can do this task. So this is Chrome browser, and I'm going to click on these three dots and translate button. Okay, now I'm going to translate this English language in another language to make this content unique. Okay, so yeah guys, you have listened right. This is the exact way to make any content unique, because it is written in English, and when it will convert in any other language, then it will be totally unique. Like it is in English and I'm going to use here language. So this is this belong to country in India, so there are two languages in India, so many other, but I'm going to convert this English language and Hindi language, because these two languages are most popular languages in India, Hindi. So I have converted it in Hindi. So now what you can do is really very easy. You can just copy and paste it where you want to paste. Just copy it. Okay, open your blog, create new post and paste it. So one by one just copy all para, and don't copy any ad that are coming, or you should not also use the images. Find your own images on the free website like Pixabay, Pexels.com, where you can find a lot of copyright free images. So in this way, without writing, you may need 2-3 hours to write an article, but by using this method you just need 2-3 minutes to copy and paste this content on your website. So I hope guys I helped you with a very useful information, and you will definitely be very happy after knowing this, because your work is gonna very easy. So I will meet you in my next video with some other trick. So take care, bye bye.